Hello guys, this video I will show how to download alight mode app without watermark and how to install this app. Now let's start. This page link I will give as video description box. Click here and download. Your download is starting. Then click three dot icon, click download option and look downloading, and after download click and extract to, click extract and SD card, choose a file and extract. Extracting and password like and share. Okay, click file and after install. Okay, locate no watermark problem. It work nicely. So like this video, also subscribe my channel. Goodbye guys, please take care.